Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cracks Are Turning Problems into Solutions. This is me Priyasha and today in this video I'll be discussing about the CMAT workshops which I'm going to conduct for free in the next 2 weeks. So I'll be telling you about the various strategies and things which I have planned for the CMAT workshops in this video. But before that, let me tell you about the Unacademy's special strategy videos which tells you about your preparation for your any specific exam, be it CAT 2022. So if you are planning to give CAT 2022 and you have various questions on your mind, like what should I study, where should I get started from, which are the sections, my specific academics are not good, so what should I do? Any questions like this can be answered very well by the various experts on the Unacademy panel. One such being is Mr. Bharat Gupta. So if you check the link in the description box, that will redirect you to his free live sessions where he has been conducting many strategy live free classes for CAT 2022 preparation. If you're having any questions related to CAT 2022, like you should be focusing on a specific area, or if you know that you're weak in a specific area, how to improve that section, things like that. So you can surely go and join his free live classes where he will be telling you all the strategies needed to crack the examination and come out with flying colors. So make sure you check out the link in the description box. That will redirect you to his free special classes. And please download the Unacademy app as well so that you get notified of all the special tutors coming live on their platform and teaching you for free. So do check the link in the description box. And now let's get our video started. Hey guys, so in this video we'll be talking about the CMAT special workshops which I'm going to get started with from 15th of March. So we are going to start special free workshops on CMAT. Okay, after thinking a lot on this, I just came up with this small plan for you guys. And we all know that CMAT examination is a bit special with respect to its pattern and things, and especially this time they have come up with the innovation and the entrepreneur section to be compulsory, 20 questions from that, 4 marks each, that means 100 marks weightage to this particular section. So you guys have been knowing the basic details, so I'll not really kill your time by repeating the same details, because if you have come to this video now, you must be knowing that the exam is going to take place on 9th of April and NTA has released its new issue, but things are very much known to you guys. I'll not repeat that. I'll just tell you what I have thought of coming across. So after getting plenty of mails regarding these TISSNET crash course and many various comments also on the YouTube channel that the TISSNET crash course really helped people a lot. So they were trying or asking me for coming up with a crash course for CMAT as well, but crash course would be a little extensive on my end. So keeping the thing in mind, keeping both of our schedules, like mine as well and yours as well, I just thought of coming up with some special workshops. Now what will be a difference between the workshops and the crash course? Basically workshops will also be specific videos, but it will be more, object oriented centric types. Like for example, you must see a number here. So 4 days of workshop specifically will be conducted for the INE section, that is innovation and entrepreneur section, because this is a new section being made mandatory and people are going mad regarding CMAT entrepreneurship and innovation section. What questions will be asked, which things do we need to read and learn and just know before the examination. So I'll be coming up with 4 videos in 4 different days where I would be specifically taking up questions from that section and would be trying to tell you that these are the areas from which they are pulling the questions. So once you know the source of questions, it will be easier for you to read through them and be prepared for a number of more questions in advance. So that's why our first 4 days will be given to the entrepreneurship and the innovation section. 3 days of workshop will be dedicated to the current affairs and the GK section. We all know that current affairs and GK section also has like weightage of 20 questions, 4 marks each. So it's very essential. Now when it comes to current affairs and GK, you already have plenty of videos on my channel with respect to the TISSNET crash course and the static GK videos I have been posting on my channel. So I'll be referring you the links so that you get all of them in one place. So you need not worry and search about it. Okay, don't worry. I'll be providing you the links. But these 3 days will be specifically for the CMAT special GK. This will be specifically for the CMAT special GK, and you can also join me live on Unacademy at 12 noon when I take GK sessions as well on Tuesday, Thursday, and on Saturday 11 a.m. You can join me live there and you can practice some CMAT special GK questions over there as well, because you can just refer. That will be double dose of information for you. Some questions new here and some questions new there. And here, CMAT has a very special, love towards national questions, national sports related questions, or national awards related questions, or even picture based questions. So these sections which are specifically asked in the CMAT examination will be covered in these 3 days of workshop. Now the remaining 3 days of workshop will actually be covering a section of your verbal as well as a little bit of your LR. LR seems for verbal and their reasoning of verbal as well. That means the sections like statement assumption, statement conclusion, statement arguments, inferences, cause and effect. These are a part of verbal reasoning which they have included under the syllabus of logical reasoning. So we'll be covering those as well. And the additional things which are not present on my channel, like idioms and phrases. Okay, I have just a single video on parajumble, so I'll try to elaborate a little more on the parajumbles as well. So these sections will be covered in the 3 days workshop for the verbal section, and the remaining 2 days workshop is for the LR section, where in the LR what I'll be taking up is the questions on figure based LR, analytical based LR, okay, and many more things which we haven't covered in our videos yet. Okay, so that you are very much specifically being prepared for the CMAT special LR, how to remember the place value of the alphabets tricks, and how to count the number of triangles tricks. Whatever possible in these 2 days, I'll try to come up with those tricks and tips, multiple chapters together in 2 days of workshop. And the last one day of workshop is for your quant. Now you must be thinking, how can we cover quant in just a single day? So let me just very quickly tell you that this one day is not for syllabus completion, but this one day of workshop is for telling you the specific areas you need to focus on. I'll be giving you examples from the previous year CMAT papers so that you get to know that which are the sections or the areas to be concentrated upon. And if I tell you the calendar of CMAT, then I'll be covering up these like workshops somewhere around 27th. So I'll be covering this by 27th of March. And after 27th of March, you will still have around 12-13 days for 9th of April to come close to your exam. And that means in this 13 days you are supposed to actually practice on your own. I'll be giving you some internet sources from where you can do the questions, or if you are already enrolled into some course or have books for CMAT or any other OMETs, then you can refer to those books and practice from there as well. So these 13 days are yours. But as I said, this is not a crash course that I will hold your hand till the last day, till the exam day. So here, that's why I named it as workshops, where I'll give you all the information possible, and utilizing that information and practicing a little bit for the next 13 days will eventually help you in brushing up your concepts for your specific exam. So make sure that you guys check out the channel videos coming from tomorrow, that's 15th of March, up till 27th of March. And we'll try to cover up the specific things related to CMAT in these few days. And now, since I have reached the end of this video, you know what to do, right? If you like this video and you like this venture that I'll be coming up with these special workshops for CMAT, then please hit that like button and share this among all your WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram groups, so that more and more people giving this examination come to know about these free workshops. That would be a really great help for the channel, and that will be something you are doing in return to this channel, only just telling you, because that's the love and support I need from your end. And if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. And until we meet for our next video, please take care and thank you so much for watching.